In this video, I will share with you a top-down analysis on EURUSD. Alright, so before I get into this top-down analysis, please let me know down below in the comment section what your favorite pair is, what your favorite asset is, what you like trading the most. Please let me know down below. I'm very curious, and like this in the future I will have more ideas about what top-down analysis videos to create. Okay, so now let's jump right into it. I'm just gonna start off with the weekly time frame to see where we are currently at on the macro perspective with the euro dollar pair. You might know that I am a very big fan of market structure. Okay, so in my opinion, market structure is key because without it, we don't really know where we are at a specific time. So we can see that we had a bearish trend started in May 2021. That's when we broke structure right here around September. Actually, we broke structure in September. We fully broke this higher low right here, and since then EURUSD was in a downtrend. Okay, it is clear as day on the weekly time frame. So being in a downtrend, it created lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. But we broke the lower high November the 7th, 2022, and since then EURUSD has been in a uptrend. Okay, so now we can say that we switched trends and EURUSD is in a uptrend. But what do I see here on the weekly time frame? To be honest with you, I see a very extended move to the upside. Okay, and to be honest, we could see a retracement. Okay, we could see a retracement anytime soon before EURUSD will continue to the upside. Okay, I think that this is a uptrend and EURUSD will continue to expand to go to the upside this year. That's my opinion. But if we look at the weekly, we can see that we are overbought. We are overextended to the upside. Okay, so we could see some sort of retracement occurring anytime soon. That is my opinion, looking only on the weekly time frame. After this, what I like to do is go on the daily, and on the daily I like to check the market structure once again, and we can see more in depth the bearish structure that was created here in 2022, and then we broke the structure. This was the most recent lower high. We broke it right here in November 2022, and since then EURUSD has been bullish. Okay, right now our range would be this one right here. This, in my opinion, is our range. Okay, we can see this is the most recent higher low that then created a new higher high. We can also throw a fib, and it's gonna be something like this. And usually after a new higher high is being created, the market usually likes to have a correction towards this 38, 50, sometimes even 60% area on the fib. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. On the daily time frame. Okay, so again, we are backing up the same idea that we had on the weekly, that EURUSD will most likely have a retracement. Okay, this is more of a risk type of trade idea because knowing that we are bullish on the weekly and daily, we would be more tempted to look for buys, and that's totally normal. But that doesn't mean that we can also look for sells, because everything that goes up has to come down as well. Everything needs to have a correction. Okay, no matter if we are in a down or uptrend, it can move up only for so long, and we can see like price is overextended. We could have a retracement very very soon, at least towards this 38 area on the fib. That would be like the first target, at least till here. That's my opinion, right? So knowing this, backing up the exact same idea, I would go down to the H4 time frame, which is the next time frame, and here is where I would probably start looking for some breaks of structure to the downside, to then start looking for some sell opportunities on the smaller time frame to be able to look for a day trade or a small swing trade and aim for this or this area right here, and then for after that to look for a swing to the upside, okay? Because we know that macro EURUSD is in a bull trend, is in an uptrend, okay? So on the H4, we can see that we trended on the to the upside. We had our most recent higher high here. This was most recent higher low, and we can see that we broke it right here, but the structure isn't really that clear, I would say. And now it could have a retracement, okay? I mean, if we go on the daily, yeah, on the daily it's a bit more clear, okay? So check this out. We have this higher low, bam, higher high, okay? Makes sense. But if we want to be more conservative, if we look on the 2-hour time frame, we could see that, okay, we had a swing low here, we had a swing high here, then price came back, retraced, created this swing low, and then created a new higher high. So that means that pretty much this is the most recent higher low. So until this gets broken, I wouldn't really like to look for sells, okay, if I'm being super conservative on the 2-hour time frame. Okay, if we go on the 1 hour, let's see if the 1 hour tells us the exact same story. Okay, so we had a higher high here, higher low here, and then we broke this high here. Okay, we came back here, and then we broke again. So on the H1, we pretty much have the same exact story. So to be honest, I would either look for a aggressive entry with the fib, which would be something like this, and I would look for a entry around this area, which price is literally in right now, to look for a sell, or I would wait for this right here to get broken to confirm that, okay, we broke this structure here fully. This is a 2-hour and a 1 hour, very strong level, and then I would look for a retracement and then look for a sell towards this zone right here. Okay, that could be my view on EURUSD. Okay, so again, if we recap real quick, on the weekly we have a huge uptrend, okay, because we broke structure here in November 2022, and since then EURUSD has been going to the upside. Okay, I do think that it will continue, but before it will continue, I do think that price have to show a correction. Okay, price have to retrace a bit before going more to the upside. All right, knowing that, we go on the daily, and on the daily we can see the same exact thing. Okay, we can see we have this range right here, and we can see that the price is very high. Okay, we can see that the price is overbought, is extended, there's a lot of imbalances here, and we could see a short period sell towards these levels here, the 50, the 38, and the 60, towards these levels, before seeing another push to the upside. Okay, and again, knowing that, that means that on the smaller time frames we could look for a short opportunity. Smaller time frames mean the H4. Check this out. On the H4 we have the exact same thing. So swing low, we broke the high, this becomes our new swing high, swing low, we broke the high, and now we need to see this low here go before being like, okay, I will most likely look for a retracement, and then I will look for a sell from this area here towards this as the first target, could be a potential first target, and then second target could be the 50 level, and third target could be the 60 level. Okay, so once again, personally, of course, take this with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion on the euro dollar pair. You do your own research and manage your risk. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly my own personal view, my own personal opinion on the euro dollar chart. Okay, so me personally, I would look for a break of this low. Once again, I will then use the fib. I will then look for a possible retracement towards this zone, and that's when I would look for the sell. Okay, I would look for a sell around here. Stop loss could be around here, depending on the structure, and then take profit 1 could be here, take profit 2 could be here, and the last take profit could be the 60 level for a nice intraday slash swing trade, because this trade could take either 1 or more days to play out, in my opinion. Since it's based on the 2 hour and 1 hour, it could take a bit to play out fully. All right, so this is my view for euro dollar, for the euro dollar pair. This is my top down analysis for now. Please subscribe to not miss out on future videos like this one, and please let me know down below. Give me a feedback. Let me know if you enjoyed these type of videos and if you want to see more of them, because if you do, I will more than likely consider doing more of these type of videos, because I do think that they might help you. And then from here, after we get into the discount level of the fib, this is where I would probably look for a buy setup to look to take this high right here. Okay, because as I said, macro perspective, euro dollar is bullish. Okay, so I'm now just selling towards the discount level for then to get into a buy, if it makes sense. Okay, that's my personal view on the euro dollar pair right now. Okay, so please let me know down below what do you think of this, if you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, as always, please let me know down below. I always make sure to reply every single one of them. And apart from this, I wish you all the best, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.